Hello friends, welcome to Team Developers channel, and in this video we will fix Vivo X70 Pro or X70 Pro Plus Play Store not working or Play Store not downloading applications problem. So before you starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest videos. So to fix Vivo X70 Pro or Pro Plus Play Store not working or not downloading applications problem, simply first of all you just need to go to settings. So first of all just go to settings and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.